Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let's talk about how we'll be able to meet our POG and get the POG badge. Yes, because a lot of people are not actually ineligible for the criteria that Spur Protocol actually drop for qualifying for the airdrop. We are close to hitting our 4,000 watch hour. Please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you notify anytime we have new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So if you want to check your eligibility criteria, if you have over 200,000 Spur, you will be qualified. But this is what I always be telling people here now. Look at something that is very striking. Say earn an additional 500 son, which is good bonus when you qualify through multiple eligibility. You know, I've already qualified for my 200,000 and I'll be meeting my POG badge, which is this one, which will make me to qualify for this 500. So without doubt, if you want to do that, you know the pre-sale is actually going less than a day for it to be completed. If you need any video and the price prediction that I've actually say about particular token cost per, I'll be dropping the video in the description of this particular video, and in the end screen of this particular video, I'll be dropping it there. So there are two ways by which you can actually access your POG. You can actually go through this place, or you can actually go through this other place. Because there are a lot of things I would like to share with you. That means you're able to watch this particular video today, because you can actually decide to actually meet your POG, or you can actually go through this place. Look at something that nobody's actually telling you. If you are a POG holder, yes. They say deploy POG. They say deploy your POG to reshape Spur Protocol. You will earn extra exclusive reward of you get extra 20 kobo of Spur and unlock early access. Power is yours. So let me just tap on this one, deploy POG. Yes, it will take us to this particular interface, which you have to actually send this particular amount of Solana is 0.03 Solana, which is actually the best. So let me quickly show you something here which you'll be getting for your POG. You say get Spur on meeting, you will receive a 20,000 Spur, which is not that alone. Look at another, you have voting ability, and for every vote you also be getting Spur for every vote that you're actually doing. So Spur on each vote. They say the system will automatically credit you with Spur on each of your exclusive vote. For those that are having this particular POG, they have been getting exclusive Spur voting. But now that is not even where I'm actually taking you to. You also get a golden badge. You will become a golden badge holder. It will be shown next to your profile everywhere you appear. Then another one, team customization. You have to customize this one. This is another beautiful thing for everyone who is a POG holder. Not minding if you are already be qualified for that particular drop, you will be getting 5%. It's even 10% that have increased it now of the allocation. You know, the Sun token is actually 1 billion. So 10% is actually given to POG holder, which is 100 million will be shared among POG holder. So we have allocated 5% of our total supply to all POG holder, which is an additional to your Spur. And look at it, future free airdrops. You'll be able for being a POG holder, you will automatically eligible for any future airdrop aside Spur. That means as a POG holder, you'll be access to every other airdrop that will be listed on this particular listing, and also 50% partnership airdrop, endless possibility. So let me quickly print out my deposit address, which I will have to do. Click here, that deploy. I already have BNB on my Bybit already. I have it on my Bybit. You could see they say your receipt is in pending state. Kindly deposit this amount of Solana to the Solana blockchain network to provide deposit address. You are deploying POG on your account they have given me. So this is the address. Let me copy it and send the Solana really fast. So this is an important information I think everyone needs to look into here, which is this one. You could see some messages such as Binance and Biget, they dot the withdrawal fee from the amount you are sending, which can result in a deposit shortage. That means if you are sending less than 0.03, your payment will not be confirmed. Please ensure that you include the withdrawal fees in your transaction. You must deposit 0.003 Solana or more. It's better it is more than it is not enough. Do not deposit less. So let me go and deposit ASAP. So now I'm actually sending it. This is not a video on how you'll be able to send from your maybe sex or dex wallet to your Spur Protocol account. This one is just how to make the payment. You could see now. Now you see this is the withdrawal fees, and this is the amount I'll be receiving on that particular address, which is 0.031. It is better than it is not enough. So let me actually send it now. Let me actually send it to them. So you could see now it is still showing that I will receive 0.031, and this is the network fee. So let me tap on confirm. Let me tap on confirm. So let me quickly do all these things. So now I've actually sent it. Now you say withdraw application submitted. You see in the process, please head to your asset page to check the status. Then I can just tap on OK. Let me see if it is actually gone so that I will be able to go and verify there, which is the last phase. So I believe that they have actually accepted it. You could see it say POG receipt. Let me just copy this POG receipt that I just received. Let me copy it. Maybe I can't see if they will still need. They say your receipt is impending. Kindly deposit from Solana to provide the deposit address. So you are deploying. So I believe it is all gone now. So I just need to wait on this site. Solana blockchain is always congested because a lot of transaction that is always happening on the Solana blockchain. So I just have to wait like this for it to load, and I will keep on refreshing if they have actually received my payment. Then if they have received my payment, this interface will actually change. So let me just keep on waiting. Let me pause this particular video till when my transaction is accepted. So right now it has said my deployment. You could see it now what they actually it say your deployment is successfully done and the associated account has been POG activated. Your POG bags and privileges are live on the platform. Thank you. So you could see the amount and the address. So let me go back now. So now if I could check my eligibility now, you could see now that I've actually qualified in two places now. You could say I've met up with the minimum requirement, and also I'm now a POG holder. So this is how to make and transfer your and get and meet your POG. If this was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the beneficial, set the notification to upload video. Thank you and bye bye for now.